Hello YouTube, I've got another review here on the Gerber Metolius. I think that's how it's pronounced. Firstly, let's start with the case. It's a nice nylon case with a belt compatible like Molly thing there. That's pretty much it. It's very basic. Anyway, let's have a look at the knife. So that's the knife. It's a nice little rubber over mould. A couple of screws there. Little hole on the back for a lanyard. The blade is 3 3/4 inches in length. The handle is, I'm not sure what the handle is, but overall it's about 8.5 inches in length. Yeah, the handle is actually, it's glass filled, and it's contoured to sort of securely fit your hand when open. That's to obviously make a better fit. You can actually see there's extra finger grips here to let you sort of choke up on the blade, allowing you to saw away them little, wood shavings or whatever, just to, so you can sort of hold it like that and slice away at whatever. Very nice. So yeah, it's just a quick, basic review. Well, that's pretty much it all. I think it weighs about 7.5 ounces. I think it was 7.5. Yeah, it is 7.5. I can confirm that. And yeah, so that's it. It's the same as the Prodigy that I've done a review on the other day. It's a high carbon steel blade, stainless steel. Drop point is what I was looking for. That's the word I was looking for on my other review, drop point. But yeah, it's a drop point blade, and it's spot on, perfect. This is what I keep this in my biker pack, which is a Maxpedition Remora, I think, which I will do a review on. And I've also got a Saber Cat, Maxpedition Saber Cat, which I'll be following up on as well and show you guys what's in it. Anyway, thanks a lot guys, have a good one, and see you soon.